Hello everybody, good afternoon, happy Friday. And today we are preparing a small side dish for lunch. And this is a little snack made out of coconut and rice powder. We can call it coconut vada, or Odia we can call it nadia vada, and we can call it a coconut patty. So we have 2 tablespoons of oil and half teaspoon salt, 3 to 4 onions. We have soaked rice. This is about 2 tablespoons of soaked rice, half teaspoon cumin, 4 pieces of dry chilli, and half coconut, and we have 1 whole garlic peeled. Our coarse paste is ready. We have the chopped onions ready. We have the paste here, coconut rice and the spice paste, and we have a little salt. Now we mix all these 3. We're done mixing. Now we shallow fry this 2 patties. It's over 5 minutes now, and now we turn the sides. After flipping the sides, we leave it for another 5 to 7 minutes. The sides are slightly burnt. This depends on how burnt you want to eat, so you can burn it a little more if you want. Our coconut patties are ready. Our nadia bora or coconut vadas are ready to eat now. And please subscribe us, please leave comments, please give us ideas, demands, so we can incorporate our ideas in our cuisine, and we can cook more, we can innovate more. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Have a great day.